Creating the look is easier than you think. This is everything you need for every step. File your nails into the desired shape using the coarse side of the nail file. Use the polishing block to remove shine from the nail and make your workspace dust-free. Then you apply the cleaner to a nail wipe and wipe your nails to remove grease. The next prep step. Apply the Prep Booster to your nails. Let it air dry for 30 seconds. And now, the Build It base. Apply a thin layer of Build It base on your nails and keep 1 mm distance from the cuticles. Seal the top of the nail to prevent air from getting underneath. Clean your cuticles with a gel polish corrector pen or the wood stick. Always make sure the polish is on your nail, not on your skin. Take a small amount of the Build It base, then apply to the base of the nail. Spread the gel softly to the sides and the end of the nail. Make sure you cover the nail evenly. Turn your hand upside down to allow the gel to spread evenly and create a perfect curve. You can then perfect the nail using the fine liner and turn the hand upside down again for the perfect curve. Leave under the LED lamp for 120 seconds. Use a pink gel-lac lamp for the perfect curing. Repeat this step for every finger. You can now add a colour of choice when you want to. Time for the finishing touch, the top coat. Apply a thin layer of shine to protect the colour and give it a glossy finish. Clean your cuticles with a gel polish corrector pen or the wood stick. Leave under the LED lamp for 60 seconds. Now wait for 2 minutes to let the layers cool down properly. Remove the adhesive layer with the cleaner using a nail wipe. The last minute waiting. And now, the final touch. Apply the nourishing cuticle oil and massage it in to hydrate your cuticles. Enjoy your beautiful salon quality manicure for 14 days.